So we're going to jump right into optimizing your LinkedIn profile. So the first thing you need to do, like I said at the beginning, is sign up for a LinkedIn profile if you don't already have one. You can do so by going to linkedin.com, signing up. It's a very quick process, and that's all you need to do. From there, you just need to know a little bit of information about your history, your work experience, potentially where you went to school, and some things that you've done in whatever industry that you want to be found for. So the first thing here, the first thing that people see is your profile picture. So it's very important to have a professional profile picture here, because this is the first thing that anyone sees before they even get to your profile page. Whether you're sending a connection request or they're searching for someone in the industry, they see your profile image there. So you don't want to just grab your phone and take a little selfie that looks unprofessional. You want to have a nice photo, maybe a button-down shirt, maybe a blazer, maybe something nice, and have that as your profile picture. This is your chance to make a great first impression. The next thing that we go down, so directly under your profile picture, is your job title. So I've done quite a bit of experimenting with this as well. So I put project manager at my current place of work, which is Therapy Cable. So I commonly show up for that title for project manager. Now you can experiment with this, experiment with different titles. So I've even put video marketing strategist, video marketing expert, digital marketing expert. Right now I have video marketing strategist and project manager, so I kind of show up for both of those terms. It's really whatever that you want to add in there. The next most important thing is this second red highlighted section here. This is the little introduction to what you do. Another thing that I want to point out is if you have any knowledge of digital marketing, you want to optimize everything around what you want to be found for. So if you're in the video or digital marketing space, or you're a doctor or psychologist or whatever, you want to kind of sprinkle the term that you want to be found for throughout your profile. This will help your organic ranking in the LinkedIn search results. So there's two schools of thought here. So for my profile here, I put digital and video marketing specialist and social media addict for the addiction treatment and healthcare industries, because that's exactly what I want to be found for. I want to be found in the addiction and healthcare space for people that are looking for help in the digital and video marketing. Whatever your objective is, add that information there. Whether you're trying to get a job or you're trying to connect with new people, they're going to come to your profile, they're going to see this information first and kind of make a pre-assessment before scrolling down. Below that is kind of some highlights and mutual group, and then your follower count. Below that, the next important aspect is your work history and your work experience. So you want to enter every place that you've worked at that's relevant to what you want to be found on or who you want to make connections with. So I have quite a bit of experience in the digital marketing space for the healthcare space. So that's exactly what my profile shows. So as you can see here, project manager, video marketing specialist, marketing project manager, social media specialist, and then sprinkled throughout here are keywords of what I do. So if you're looking for a job, you might want to highlight a lot of what you were able to do for the individual company. If you're looking for prospecting to get new business clients through LinkedIn, you want to put a little bit of a twist on that, so to showcase what you've done for individual clients. So maybe if you're in the digital marketing space, for instance, you can say helped so-and-so reach 1 million followers on their Instagram profile. something like that. So when you're reaching out to new potential people like this, and they come to your profile, they say, oh, you already helped this person get these results. I'm also looking for this. Maybe I'll connect with you and we'll go from there. Below that is the skills section. So you want to enter all of the different skills that you have. And then there's a little number system that's next to it. These are kind of social proof. So the more people that you work with, the more upvotes that you get on these individual skills. And it kind of indexes them separately. So industry knowledge, tools and technologies, interpersonal skills, and then other random skills. The more knowledge and expertise you have in an individual space, and the more work that you do for people that you are connected with, the more people will come to your profile and upvote those skills, and then the more upvotes you have on those individual skills boosts it on your profile and also helps your organic reach in those particular aspects. So my highest one is social media marketing and digital marketing. It's just helping me grow in my organic ranking for that space. Recommendations are also very important too. These are basically testimonials for you and your work history. They're great to get if you can get them. One strategy is just to ask people for recommendations, whether you're connected with people on LinkedIn already or you're not, and you'd like some of these. Just ask people. Ask people for these little recommendations. They are great social proof. Another strategy, going back a little bit, back over here to the tagging section on your skills, one great way to get a lot of upvotes on these is go to everyone on your profile that you're connected with and start upvoting their skills. Just go through everyone and just upvote all of their skills. There's kind of a law of reciprocity, that a certain percentage of them will, they'll see that everyone will get a notification that you upvoted those skills. A lot of the time they'll send you a message back, thank you for endorsing me for this individual skill. And you can reply to that message and say, absolutely, if you feel so inclined, I would love you to reciprocate that. And a certain percentage of them will. So this is a great little strategy to get a ton of upvotes on your individual skills.